It may be helpful to place a pad or a tampon high in the vagina to prevent blood loss from the uterus obscuring the V. मतलब अंदर तक पैक कर दो. Care need to be taken that this is removed at the end of procedure. पता लगा आप भूल गए और पड़ेगा पड़ा ही रह गया वहीं. The vaginal mucosa is repaired first using rapidly absorbing suture material on a large round body. Rapidly suturing इसलिए लगाते हैं क्योंकि अगर वैसे वाले छोड़ देंगे तो फिर उनको स्टिचेस को काटना पड़ेगा और बड़ा पेनफुल होता है वैसे वाले. तो अपनी म्यूकोजा है बहुत जल्दी हील कर जाती है, तो इसलिए आप एब्जॉर्बेबल सूचर्स ही लगाते हैं. अ नॉट शुड बी टाइड अबव द एपेक्स ऑफ द कट और द टियर एस severed vessels retract slightly and a continuous stitch should be used to close the vaginal mucosa. Interrupted sutures are then placed to close the muscle layer. तो कंटिन्यूस सूचर लगाएंगे इसमें वेजाइनल म्यूकोजा में और इंटरप्टेड सूचर लगाएंगे मसल लेयर में क्योंकि इसमें स्ट्रेंथनिंग देनी है. क्लोजर ऑफ द पेरिनियल स्किन फॉलोज विद ईदर इंटरप्टेड और कंटिन्यूस सूचर विच प्रोड्यूसेस मोर कंफर्टेबल रिजल्ट whichever. A gentle vaginalization should be performed to check for any mysteries and to ensure that good apposition has been achieved. A rectal examination should be performed to confirm that sphincter feels intact and ensure that no suture have been inadvertently placed through the rectal mucosa. मतलब आपने यहाँ से suturing कर देते और पता लगा साथ में rectal mucosa भी ले ली तो पता लगा rectovaginal fistula बन गया. If sutures are felt in the rectum, they must be removed and replaced. The pad or tampon should be removed and careful count of swabs and needles should be completed and documented in the record alongside the operation note and post-op instruction. Analgesia should be prescribed. अब ये जो थर्ड और फोर्थ डिग्री रिपेयर होते हैं ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. Repair of the third and fourth degree tears should be performed directly provided by trained practitioner. There must be an adequate analgesia in practice. This means either regional or general anesthetic, as local infiltration does not allow relaxation of the sphincter enough to allow satisfactory repair. The lightening must be adequate and assistance is usually needed. Repair of the rectal mucosa should be performed first. The torn external sphincter is then repaired. It is important to ensure that the muscle is correctly approximated with long acting sutures so that muscle is given adequate time to heal. क्योंकि strengthening तो इसी से आएगी भैया. Some surgeons opt for an end-to-end repair while others use an overlap. End-to-end का मतलब इस तरीके से और overlap का मतलब इस तरीके से. Current evidence suggests that the outcome is similar with both methods. The remainder of the perineal tear is for second degree trauma. The surgical repair should be documented and a clinical incident form should be completed after care. Lactulose, a bulk such as 5-HG recommended for pregnant women should remain in hospital until she has been first bowel. क्योंकि constipation अगर हो गया तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी, इसलिए lactulose देते हैं. An oral broad-based spectrum antibiotics prescribed for surgery to reduce the risk of infection. Regular oral NSAIDs should be prescribed. All women who have sustained a third degree or fourth degree should be postnatal period. Follow-up होना जरूरी है. The team approach is ideal with physiotherapy.